Good evening. I am Professor Shalini Sahai, Assistant Professor, NESI Department from SIRT Bhopal. Today in this lecture, I am going to discuss about the frequency transformation. First, we'll discuss what is frequency transformation. When the cutoff frequency of the low pass filter is equal to 1, then it is called normalized filter, and frequency transformation techniques are used to generate high pass filter, band pass and band stop filters from the low pass filter system functions. So we can discuss, or we can define as the frequency transformation is a method in which the cutoff frequency of the low pass filter is considered to be as 1, and so we can easily transform the filter into the various types, that is high pass, band pass and band stop filters. Now we'll discuss, we need to apply a suitable frequency transformation, and if we wish to determine the new filter design from a low pass design, then as a result we can construct a third order Butterworth high pass filter or the fifth order Chebyshev band pass filter. So this is the response. Now this is a table which is representing frequency transformation analog filter, and here we have used the type of transformation and the transformation here where S is replaced. Now it is low pass, high pass, band pass and band stop filters. So transformation is done as the low pass filter, and where we have used the password or the H frequency of another low pass filter. It is the high pass H frequency. These are the two higher band H frequency and the lower band H frequency, and this is similar for the band stop filters. Now the normalized low pass filter. When designing a filter, it is a common practice to first design a normalized low pass filter, and then we use a spectral transform to that a low pass filter into a different type of filter, that is high pass, band pass and band stop filter. Now the reason for this is because the necessary values for designing a low pass filter are extensively described and tabulated. From this, filter design can be reduced to a task of looking up the appropriate values in a table and then transforming the filter to meet the specific needs. Now the low pass to low pass transformation, having a normalized transfer function with cutoff frequency of 1 Hz, we can modify it in order to move the cutoff frequency to a specified values. Means the filter which is designed for a normalized transfer function, and with that we can change it to another frequency. Now this is the transfer function, means the output function upon the input, and which is given by a polynomial function where S is replaced by S dot FC both in numerator and denominator. Now these are the analog element values where we can use or transform the capacitor or the inductor into a transform to the new values by the transfer function, by these functions. Now this is, we know that we low pass response and the high pass response, and with this help of real frequency we can transform into a normalized new frequency response, means the low pass can be converted into a high pass filter. This, with the help of the transfer frequencies, we can transform a low pass filter into a high pass filter. Now here with the frequency transform we can transform a filter into another filter, that is a Chebyshev filter. So we have designed a normalized low pass filter, and with frequency transform we'll change the frequency and the filter will be transformed into a new filter. Thank you.